Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use advanced filter in Microsoft Excel. Right over here you can see I have some food sale data of a company which I wanna filter based on certain criteria given over here. For example, we are interested to find out the bars category and its sale data in this entire data sheet. So how we can do that? Let me show you. Simply click over here, go to Data tab, and right over here in Sort and Filter, we have this option Advanced. Click over here and you can see it has automatically picked up the entire data sheet that we are currently on. But if in your case it didn't pick up, you can simply select it. Now, criteria range, simply click over here and delete the existing one. And this is the criteria according to which we want to sort our data. Now click on this radio button, copy to another location. Let me delete this option again and I'm gonna filter my data right over here on this particular sheet. Now click on OK and there you go. And you can see the category bars has been filtered as per our set criteria. Let me undo it to show you how we can use more than one criteria. Now over here you can see we have more than one criteria according to which we want to filter our data, and this is we are interested to find out the sales of our product that is carried in the eastern region, particularly in a Boston, and the categories that we want to look at is bars. So how we would do that? Again, simply click inside your data tab, advance. Again you can see the data has been selected. Let me criteria, and this is going to be our criteria. Copy to, simply copy to another location, and this is going to be the location I want my data to be filtered on. Click on OK and there you go. Boston, bars, carrot and east. This is your data. Let me undo it again to show you a few more tricks. This time I'm going to show you how to filter our data and export it to another sheet so that we could get a print. So again, first keep in mind, this is very important. Go to the sheet where you want your data to be filtered. I'm going to click on sheet 3 and over here I will click to make it active. Click on advanced list range. So this is going to be our list range. Criteria, again this is going to be our criteria. Copy to, so here we need to copy our data. Click on OK and there you go. You can see our data has been filtered to a different sheet. Now if we want to make a print of it, simply press Ctrl P from your keyboard and your print is ready. So that was it for today's video. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.